Hey guys, welcome to this event tonight by Alpaka as well as Ricoh GR Australia. What better way to reward, cultivate and foster the community than to have an event like this where we're celebrating everything from everyday carries to compact cameras. We've had tons of activities on, flat lay comps as well as a global comp where you can win a Ricoh GR3 as well as $300 of prize money from Alpaka.
One of the things I love most about Pentax and Ricoh is that they really dare to do something that is special to the photography community.
The whole goal with Ricoh GR is carry in pocket, carry every day, not going to miss any moment.
Maybe time to get one, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, there you go, guys. What an amazing event featuring the Ricoh GR3. And thanks to our friends at Alpaka. Make sure you stay tuned for more events coming up soon.